Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about blending images in Photoshop. All the images used in the video have links in the description below. Let's start by loading the first picture. Now we want to separate the house and the ground from the sky. You can make a selection of a sky or of everything else. There are many ways to make a selection in Photoshop, and one of the fastest is a quick selection tool. If you want more precision though, I recommend using a pen tool, for example. Once the selection is done, you can copy and paste its content, which will form another layer. Now let's add the second picture and place it where the sky was. I'm going to make a picture bigger to better blend it with the first one. Then take a soft eraser tool without hardness and opacity of about 70% and go along the edges. To finalize the blend, go to Image, Adjustments and match brightness and contrast of both layers. Next, go to Filter and choose Reduce Noise. Only settings here we care about is strength. Set it to 5 and other options can remain unchanged. Do the same for the house layer. After that's done, let's add the car now. We need to cut it out from the background, and once again I will use quick selection tool because it's fastest. ground around the car can stay. We can blend that part too and erase what we don't need later. When you are satisfied with the selection, copy and paste it to make a new layer out of the selection itself. Just drag the layer now into main project and adjust its size and placement. Add a mask to a car layer and take the eraser tool to delete unnecessary parts. If you erase too much, you can always undo the changes and go at it again. Click on a car layer and set better brightness and contrast for it. You can reduce some noise from the car layer too. Next, add a layer with birds to make background a little bit more interesting. Duplicate the layer, reduce its size and continue transforming it until you are satisfied with the looks. Now make a new layer. Select a brush. Set its color to dark brown and set layer to color dodge. Paint over areas where light is supposed to shine to make the image way more realistic. Again, I am going to adjust brightness and contrast of layers to mix better with all these changes. Now select all the visible layers by selecting the top one and then selecting the bottom one while holding Shift and make a group out of them. Duplicate that group and transform it into a smart object. Add a color balance adjustment layer and play with colors until we get desired effect. I am going to go for a purplish look. Select Smart Object Layer and go to Image, Adjustments, Hue Saturation Controls and try to make it a little bit better. And that's it for this tutorial, guys. I hope you found it informative, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to ask questions or tell us what would you like to see next. See you soon!